Today's recipe, chicken Seekh Kebab. This chicken Seekh Kebab, very soft and juicy. Welcome to Luna's Kitchen USA. Let's get started. Chicken breast 500 g.m. Cut thin slices. Like this. Transfer to the bowl. Baking soda, a half teaspoon. Salt to taste. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Cover and rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Fried onion, a half cup. Yogurt, a third cup. Make a paste. Done. After 15 minutes, add ginger, garlic paste to tablespoon. Chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Cumin and coriander powder, a half teaspoon each. Garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon. Add onion and yogurt paste. Mix well. Done. Cover and rest for 1 to 2 hours. Here is some sticks. Soak for 10 minutes. After 1 hour, add mustard oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Pinch of red food color optional. Mix it. Put chicken in the sticks like this. All done. Add mustard oil in a grill pan. Spread the oil. Add chicken sticks. Cook medium-high heat 1 minute. Flip over. Flip other side. Make a square shape. It will look nice. Cook 10 to 12 minutes. Done. Chicken Seekh Kebab, soft and juicy. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.